Whether you're new to plant-based eating or have fully transitioned, our membership club has lots to offer you. Are you looking for weekly meal plans and tasty plant-based recipes the whole family will love? Then we've got you covered. If saving time in the kitchen and preventing food waste is important to you, then you'll love our weekly meal plans. Each week, you'll receive a 5-day meal plan for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack, with a step-by-step prep guide and shopping list. All of our nourishing recipes are plant-based, vegan, and gluten-free. Not only do our weekly meal plans make meal times easier, but they can also reduce your grocery bills, saving you money. In addition to our ever-growing recipe collection, you'll find much more inside our club to help you succeed on your journey to abundant health, including monthly nutrition and lifestyle courses with live Q&A calls, plus content added weekly to inspire you to reach your health and wellness goals. Building community is important to us. You'll get the support, encouragement, and guidance you need from our knowledgeable certified nutritionists and caring like-minded members in our exclusive community forum. So, if you're looking to thrive on a whole food, plant-based lifestyle and want to transform your health, join our club today. With our no questions asked 30-day money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose. We look forward to seeing you on the inside.